Today, we will talk about the rise of Bitcoin, why you need to invest now. The year 2024 commenced with significant momentum for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, eliciting enthusiasm among crypto enthusiasts. As of March 18, 2024, BTC is trading at $68,497, boasting a market capitalization of $1.35 trillion, representing a 4.67% increase in the last 24 hours. However, it experienced a recent downtrend, hovering around the $65,000 mark, and decreased by 5.15% in the last 7 days. BTC, the leading cryptocurrency, has endured a tumultuous period, shedding approximately 65% of its market value over the past year. Crypto enthusiasts were taken aback by unforeseen events such as the Terra Luna crash, FTX decline, macroeconomic factors, and Binance's legal issues. Nonetheless, the crypto market exhibited a remarkable recovery towards the end of the year, with BTC showing promising growth. Bitcoin surged to impressive heights, surpassing its previous all-time high of $69,170 on March 8, 2024, reaching $70,083. Subsequently, on March 14, 2024, BTC once again exceeded its previous peak, reaching $73,750. This surge propelled its market capitalization to $1.44 trillion, contributing to the overall crypto market capitalization of $2.77 trillion, reflecting exceptional performance. Bitcoin's recovery journey. After surpassing the psychological threshold of the $31,000 mark, Bitcoin started exhibiting a bearish trend and traded below $30,000 levels for most of the last year. However, it has shown remarkable recovery in the latter months of the year. The world's largest cryptocurrency, BTC, which was on a recovery path, has increased around 206.68% in 1 year. It is currently trading at its highest level, surpassing its all-time high in 2021 and setting a new benchmark at $70,083 on March 8, 2024. The current valuation is around $69,157. The world's largest cryptocurrency, BTC, which was on a recovery path, has increased around 148.75% in 1 year. It is currently trading at $68,497 as of March 18, 2024, with a market capitalization of $1.35 billion and the global cryptocurrency market capitalization of $2.77 trillion. Cryptocurrency experts believe that if BTC maintained its level of $30,000, it could likely bounce back from there. Looking at the current scenario, Bitcoin has surpassed its all-time high this month, but witnessed a downtrend this week. While the future of Bitcoin is unknown, retail investors are required to be very cautious about each and every move of Bitcoin, as it has witnessed tumultuous before. Moreover, India's stance on cryptocurrencies continues to be firm, with the government bringing all crypto-related transactions under the ambit of the Money Laundering Act. In a specific Gazette notification, the Union Finance Ministry of India stated that all the transactions related to digital assets or virtual currency would fall under the purview of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, PMLA. On the face of it, the new development may appear damaging to the cryptocurrency community in India. On the ground, the move has been praised by the industry at large, as this is a step towards regulating this space, where in the absence of regulators, the enforcement agencies will straight up take recourse to any discrepancies. The spot Bitcoin ETFs have been a tremendous factor in the growth of Bitcoin. After the SEC approved the ETFs in the US, retail investors showed a great deal of interest, leading to Bitcoin surpassing its all-time high. One of the other reasons why crypto experts are hopeful about Bitcoin is that this year, 2024, will be a year for Bitcoin's halving event. The Bitcoin halving event happens every 4 years, in which BTC rewards to its miners are cut by 50%. The miners' payout will be reduced to 3.125 BTC. This event is usually viewed as positive for Bitcoin's price, as it helps in contracting supply. Historically, halving has been seen as a great sign for bringing momentum to Bitcoin's price. In the above table, we can see that past Bitcoin halving events have been able to establish long-term bullish drivers for Bitcoin's price. The Bitcoin halving event relates to its deflationary tendency and crushing its supply, which helps the Bitcoin price to rise further. As BTC, being a decentralized cryptocurrency, can't be printed by any central banks or governments, and thus Bitcoin's total supply is limited. Moreover, Bitcoin whales, referring to large investors, have started accumulating Bitcoin once again. According to data from the on-chain aggregator Sandiment, these large Bitcoin whales, holding a range from 1,000 to 10,000 BTC in their wallets, indicate that investors have been filling up their wallets with a substantial amount of Bitcoins. This accumulation may contribute to boosting the price of Bitcoin. Can Bitcoin reach $100,000 by 2024? The current year is the year of Bitcoin's fourth halving. It is expected to occur in the month of April. It forms the basis of Bitcoin's monetary policy and supports its increasing scarcity by cutting Bitcoin's supply growth rate in half approximately every 4 years. At one point, the supply growth rate of Bitcoin exceeded 10%, but it has been cut to about 1.75%. In the halving month, anticipated in the month of April, this year it will fall to just 0.85%. The BTC halving will continue until all the 21 million coins are mined, sometime in the year 2140. Currently, around 19.6 million BTC coins are circulated in the cryptocurrency market. Jeff Kendrick, head of crypto research at Standard Chartered Bank, believes that the BTC price is set to hit $100,000 by the end of the current year. Bitcoin halving could be one of the sources of price upside. As of March 18, 2024, BTC is trading at $68,202 with a market capitalization of $1.34 trillion. The halving is expected to take place in April 2024, when the block height reaches 840,000. Can Bitcoin reach $1 million by 2025? Bitcoin enthusiasts often make overly optimistic and sometimes unrealistic predictions for their favorite cryptocurrency. After this mini bull run, there are numerous discussions happening around Bitcoin, the world's largest digital coin. Some speculate that the crypto coin could even reach a level of $10 lakh by 2025. This hypothetical and notable figure of $10 lakh has been rolled by several well-known personalities in the crypto world. Recently, Standard Chartered, one of the leading British multinational banks, raised its prediction price for the BTC ranging from $100,000 to $120,000 by the end of the year 2024 in one of its most recent research reports, citing more profit to BTC miners. The MNC Bank forecast BTC to reach $50,000 by the end of this current year. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.